Wood and composite boardwalks look good at first, but their limitations can become a real headache, especially when it comes to maintenance. You know what I'm talking about. Are you fed up with deck screws popping and creating tripping hazards? Are you tired of worrying about slippery surfaces? And are rotting, molding, sagging, or twisting deck boards a constant concern? Forget about all these. We've got the solution to all your problems. Introducing PermaTrak, the price-competitive concrete boardwalk system that takes maintenance worries off your mind. Here's how it works. When you specify a concrete boardwalk system, PermaTrak is going to provide engineering support and detailed construction documents at no charge. Whether you want to build commercial trails, greenways, or pedestrian bridge projects, the installation process is extremely simple, and the concrete boardwalk requires no maintenance at all. PermaTrak's concrete boardwalk structure has a design life of 50 to 75 years. Yes, we're going to say that again, 50 to 75 years. Compare that to a wood or composite boardwalk that will last 5 to 10 years. So forget about the old-fashioned way of designing boardwalks that wear down quickly. Your commercial boardwalk project deserves a solution that is durable and long-lasting. It deserves a PermaTrak concrete boardwalk. Find out more about concrete boardwalk design, cost estimates, and construction practices by reading our educational blog articles. Let us know if you have any questions. We hope to hear from you soon.